Hello, it's Dan Bunker from United Learning's EdTech team. I'm in Teams and I'm going to take a look at channel creation and channel settings. So my team is created. You'll see when I've logged into my team, it's automatically got a channel called General. Now that's created automatically when you create a new team. Now this is a class team, so I know it's a class team because it has a class notebook and assignments automatically as tabs in the team. And it's generally speaking the class team that we'll be looking at. Now this has got as I said, a single channel at the moment called General, but it can be quite useful to have additional channels to start to categorize your discussions and your materials. So I want to create a new channel. I go to the three dots at the end of where it says class 6B, and I'm going to choose to add the channel. I'm going to call this channel English. I could put a description in. It is a standard privacy setting. It's not a private one. It's just to everyone in the team. I could automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list. I think that would be helpful because they're all going to need it. I now click add, and that new channel will be created. You can think of a channel like a folder in a document store, and it actually creates a folder in the SharePoint site that sits behind the team. So there's my new channel called English. I'm going to create one other new channel for the moment. So I click on the three dots, I add a channel, and this one's going to be called Maths. And I'd like it to be automatically available for everyone. They don't have to search for it. And I click add. Now you may want to add additional channels for various other subjects or topics depending on how you want to organize your team. For now though, I'll just work with the three channels I've got. So now we've created our channels, we can look at the settings associated with them. So first of all, I want to have a look at the overall settings by going to class 6 and managing the team. Now in the team management window here, you can see you have an option to mute students. Muting students means that they don't have the ability to make posts themselves. So I'm going to take that setting and apply it to all the students. So by default, they won't be able to post in the Teams area. So when I go to General, the posts down here, they won't be accessible to them. They'll be able to read them, but they won't be able to create new posts. I can, if I want, turn off posting on a channel by channel basis as well. So if I click on the three dots associated with the channel, in this case the General channel, when I go to manage channel, I could say for this one only owners can post messages. That means whether I've muted them or unmuted them, they won't be able to post. So let's say in this one I'm going to change it to only owners can post messages. That means it's only the teachers will make the posts. In my year 6 team here, I'm going to click on the three dots and go to manage channel. And here I might say, well, they can post, but only when they're unmuted. So what I might do here is just only allow members to reply to channel messages, but I'd have to unmute them for that period of time when they're able to post. It's up to you really whether you want to manage the children's posts or not. Some schools will just leave them off all the time. Others may have them available but leave the children muted until such time as there's somebody on to moderate their posts, and it'll be at an allotted hour, maybe between 10 and 11 on a Wednesday morning. The children are unmuted and available to post. Again, it's a school by school decision really. And if I go to my Year 6 channel here, click on the 3 dots and manage the channel. Again, who do I want to post? I'm going to say channel moderations on, and in this, for example, in this one, they'll never be able to post in it. So you can choose either an overall muting strategy or a channel by channel approach. The thing is, what you don't want to leave yourself open to is a channel where children are just posting without any supervision whatsoever, because it will quickly get out of hand and you won't be able to see what's been going on if you haven't logged into that team recently. So our recommendation is you turn the muting on, and then if at certain times you want to unmute them to allow them to post, then you do that in a managed environment. So with our channel settings, there's a few other things we can just turn on and off. If I click on manage team here and look at the settings to do with the team, you may want to pick a theme. You may want to look at other permissions. By default, we recommend you stick with these. That the messages can be deleted by the owners, and if children are posting, they have the option to delete and edit their messages. And the only other thing you may want to change here is whether you want to enable stickers and memes. Again, personal decision. You can tick that if you want them to be able to put little stickers, or indeed teachers to use stickers and memes. I'm going to turn it off. So you can manage your overall team settings by going to the 3 dots and going to settings, and you can manage the individual posting settings on a channel by channel basis.